everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danny, also known as Street by Danny. And as you can see sa title ng video guys, this is part 2 of our thrift series. And spoiler alert, kung napunod nyo yung part 1, ito yung nakuha ko sa South Trading Post. You can check out the previous video dito sa channel ko. So today, we will be going naman to Season Pass. So if you guys don't know kung ano yung Season Pass, it is also a flea market and sila yung nag-organize ng good old days guys. So if you don't know, sila yun. And then today, we will be going to their roots. Doon sila usually nag-flea market, which is sa Maginhawa. So yun ang pupuntahan natin today guys. And actually, na-realize ko parang ayoko muna maghanap ng apparel. I want to invest more sa mga accessories, caps, bags, kasi ang dami ko ng damit talaga guys. And yung mga ibang damit ko nga hindi ko pa nasusuot. So, ayoko muna mag-spend so much. But if there's a good deal, like a really, really good deal, why not, diba? So, we will see later. So, I think that's it guys. Let's go!
She was singing in my ear, you think she know me? Yes, I said she. She got it heavy. She had me feeling like she ready to blow.
Hi vlog, ay hi vlog tuloy. Hi Danny.
So, ayan guys, ito yung parang Paddington hat nila. Ano masasabi nyo? How much ito? Sige, 300. Sige, I'll get it na. Yeah, nabudol mo ako.
I'll pack it for you.
Yeah, tsaka, ay, thank you so much. Thank you. Cute kasi, no? Something different. Like what I said kanina guys, more on accessories ako ngayon that I don't have.
Statement piece yun.
Oo, statement piece siya. Tsaka cute siya sa mga skirts. Ayan, thank you so much. Ang cute nung lalagyan niya, oh. Check out nyo sila. May Instagram kayo?
Yes po,
Okay.
Garment Cycle.
May Elmo Biggie daw dito. So, check natin siya. So, anyways, guys, kaya ako hinahanap yung Biggie Elmo kasi I'm a big fan of Biggie Smalls. Ka-cute! Tingnan nyo, guys! Notorious Elmo. Sky's the limit. Medyo maliit lang siya, Josh.
Pero cute, di ba?
Pero ang cute, how much siya? So, ang price niya is 700. You can get it sa anong store to? Lumang Kamisa. So, ayan guys, check nyo yan dyan. Or check nyo yung page niya kung trip nyo yan. Grabe ka cute. Malit kasi siya sa akin, so hindi rin siya magkasya. So, yun lang guys. Let's check pa more of the stuff here at Season Pass. Carhartt DIY na bag. Sobrang cute. 2.5 siya guys. And Mike, mag-hi ka sa CCTV.
Saan?
So si Mike guys, iniisa-isa niya talaga yung mga racks. Kaya sobrang sipag nitong ni Mike Lacson guys eh. Check nyo yung YouTube niya, Mike Lacson guys.
Ito naman, lagi akong tinuturuan ng mga gems when it comes sa content creation. Kaya ito sa SBD, malaki yung ano ko ba dito, utang na loob sa
Nax!
SBD yan, kaya lagi ko nga pinopromote eh.
Thank you.
A-Town,
So guys, tingnan nyo ito. Grabe ka cool. Parang DIY na siya ng mga jackets. Ayan o. Tingnan nyo yung likod. Sobrang cool. Tapos may pa ganito sila na designs. Meron silang ganito. Something different naman, diba? So, share ko lang siya sa inyo, guys. This one's so cool, oh. Wow, tingnan yung likod. Ayan, guys. So, try natin ito. Yung parang DIY na pinapakita ko sa inyo kanina. Try natin kung kasya siya. Ay, mukhang kasya. Ayan, guys. Gawin ko muna kayong mirror. Statement piece siya, eh, no? Ganda. Gagi, nakasign pala yung Sean Waterspoon mo. Sheesh! Pakita mo, Josh. Ayan guys, oh. Sinay ni Sean Waterspoon. Tas suot-suot niya. Check out nyo yung page nila, sir. Ayan.
Vintage tuklasan, papalo ako.
Yun guys, sa Instagram. Thank you! Grabe ka cute! Ayan guys, tingnan nyo to. Para siyang DIY. Tapos may Carhartt siya na tag. Sabi ko nga kung payat lang ako, bibiling ko yan. Pero sige lang, soon. Okay guys, so nandito naman tayo sa loob. So as you can see here, dito yung mga women's selection nila. So dito muna tayo titingin. Cute nito. Pero maliit. Super cute. Ganda nito. So ito guys, tingnan nyo, may nakita akong Prada na polo shirt. Really cute. This Manila. So, dito yata sa loob, guys. Iba-iba nandito. Nandito yung Give Me the Loot. Ayan, see. Speaking of. So, depends rin on the item. Pero makikita nyo naman yung mga tags, guys. May Beating Ape. Ay, ito, sakay. YSL. Alexander Wang. Ito guys, tingnan nyo yung nakita kong shorts na Nike. So, ang ganda nung details niya sa side. Super cute. Pero parang hindi siya kasha for me. Ang ganda ng mga stuff nila dito. Sarap.
Thank you, ma'am. So, nakaupo lang muna tayo dito kasi pagod na ako. Tapos, yung mga kasama ko, tumitingin pa sila doon. So far, guys, ang nakuha ko is yung... Actually, papakita ko na lang siya later. Para isang haul na lang siya lahat. So, I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Bye! Ingat! See you
Sabihin mo
soon!
sa akin na para mapadala ko yung...
Sige, sabihan kita kung kasama ko si Lawrence. Bye-bye! Alright guys, so we're back home and it's been a long day. So, I'll do a quick haul for you guys kung ano nakuha ko kanina sa season pass. So, the first thing that I got, guys, sobrang nakakatuwa itong shopping bag niya. Ayan, as you can see, guys, parang rice sako siya. So, I think it really is. Tapos, gi-recycle nila to make it yung parang bags when you guys buy from them. Sobrang galing, no, guys? So, ito nga yung first ko na nakuha. They call it the Paddington hat. Why? Kilala niyo si Paddington, guys, yung bear na character. So, usually kasi naka-hat siya, tapos ginaganito niya. Something different. And like what I told you guys kanina sa intro ko, I'm planning to invest more on sa mga accessories. So, this is something that I really don't have in my collection. It's really unique and it's a statement piece. So, I got this, guys, from Garment Cycle. And nakakatuwa, guys, kasi binigyan pa ako ng free fan. Thank you so much, Garment Cycle, for this. Sobrang nakakatuwa. And that's the first thing that we copped. So, itong next natin na cup, guys, sobrang nakakatuwa kasi it was gifted to me by Siv from Vintage Tuklasan. Natutuwa ako, guys, kasi I was just looking dun sa rack niya kasi nga DIY. Tapos yun, while I was looking, ayun nga, sabi ni Sir Siv to try one of yung mga pieces. Tapos nung natrinay ko, sabi ko pa na hindi siya kasya sa akin. Pero eventually, kasya pala. Nung nakita niya na kasya siya sa akin, binigay niya sa akin, guys. Sobrang nakakatuwa. So, this is the piece. Sobrang cool, guys. Grabe, it's really one of one. And actually, bagay siya sa hat na binili ko, diba? Tingnan niyo naman, guys. Look at the details. So, ito yung parang branding niya. Nilalagay niya to sa lahat ng mga ginagawa niyang jackets, shirts. Super cool, guys, kasi kahit yung color, very unique siya. So, I'm so excited to wear this. Thank you so much, Sir Siv, for this. Really appreciate you. And guys, check out niyo yung page niya. I will place it here. Alright, guys, so that's everything that I copped earlier sa Season Pass. Thank you so much sa lahat ng mga tumulong sa amin kanina and nakipagkwentuhan and everything. Sobrang nakakatuwa. So, I think that's it, guys. Thank you so much to everyone who reached the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below what you think. And if you have any questions, alam niyo na gawin niyo, guys. I think that's it. I'll see you guys on the next one. Danny out!